Hello dear students, welcome to the maths class of standard 5. We are discussing chapter number 8, mapping your way. In the previous lecture we studied different topic like make it bigger, make it smaller, then dancers from different states, and we also answers some questions given on page number 122. Now today we are proceeding further on page number 123. The topic is the sea. Bala is standing on the sea coast and looking at the vast sea. The sea looks endless. Have you seen the sea? Here question is given, have you seen the sea? If you have seen, you can write yes, I have seen the sea. In the picture, where is the sea? So here picture is given, look at this picture, observe this picture. Where is the sea? This is Bala and here is the sea. It is just in front of Bala, which is given with blue color. This is sea. Now look for the sea in the map of India. What color is used to show the sea? So children, let us move onto the map to look for the sea, and also the color which is used to show the sea. This is map of India. So here you can see that blue color is used to show the sea. Here is given Arabian Sea and blue color is used to show the sea. This blue color is used. So children, here are given questions. Mark those states which have the sea on one side. So let us move on to the map to mark those states which have the sea on one side. So children, here Gujarat, Maharashtra, then Goa, here Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. So states which have sea on their one side are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. These all states have the sea on one side. You can see in this map here. So in answer also you can write these all names. Now here question is, name one state which does not have the sea on any side. So in the map you can see that Madhya Pradesh is the state which does not have the sea on any side. Madhya Pradesh is the state which does not have the sea on any side. You can see here 4 side other states. Here you can write that Madhya Pradesh does not have the sea on any side. Now next topic is find out. Now find out. Look for different maps. Compare the different scales used in local area map, a map of India and a world map, etc. So children, this is activity, just look for different maps like India map, world map, political map and other map. So look for different maps, then compare the different scale used in a local area map, a map of India and a world map. Here are given also these names of map, local area map, a map of India and a world map, etc. Now topic is line between the states. Sabu is confused about the lines shown between the states. I travelled from Delhi to Haryana, but I never saw any lines on the ground. How do we see them on the map? So this girl replied, no, there are no lines painted on the ground. The map shows us where one state ends and the next begins. So this girl replied that there is no line, or there are no lines painted on the ground, but the map shows us where one state ends and the next begins. So how can we know that where the one state ends and the next begin? So here this boy said, oh yes, we paid the toll tax at the border. I saw a big board saying welcome to Haryana. So this way we can know that one state ends and the next begins. Now children, next topic is distance between towns. This topic we will study in next session. So your homework is write this question answer in your maths notebook from the PDF file. These answers are given in the previous PDF, so you can write from that. Thank you.